All right, welcome to the course. So excited that you're here. So let's dive right in. Before we can talk about the high-level principles of product management and go over specific skills, let's spend a few minutes defining what a product manager is and what they do. Oftentimes, the role of a PM, or the question, what is a product manager, elicits a large variety of responses. If you're new to the field, it can be hard to figure out what it even is. So why are there so many answers? Well, to start, the PM role is complex and multifaceted. Sometimes PMs are treated as a white space role, meaning they fill the work that isn't covered by another specialty, and other times they are dedicated to a specific area, like data science. And on top of that, the role can be very different at different companies. One company might have data-heavy needs, whereas another might be a highly design-focused role. But in my opinion, the best definition of a product manager comes from Jackie Bavaro's book, Cracking the PM Career. Her definition is a person on a product team who is responsible for choosing the right problems to go after, defining what success looks like, and guiding the team to achieve successful outcomes. So the PM identifies customer problems, chooses which ones to solve, defines success, and then guides the team to delivery. The PM really works across the whole journey of developing the product. One analogy that often helps people understand PM is that you can think of PMs as being the mini CEOs of their product inside of a larger business. Most often, they are generalists that sit at the intersection of design, engineering, and business, acting in a dynamic, collaborative role to bring the team together most effectively. Most PMs tend to have something they're really good at, whether it's user interface design, engineering skills, storytelling. Everybody has something unique. But almost all PMs are great at working with the specialized roles that would perform these jobs even better. It's really collaborative. Now, zooming out to a more conceptual level, I think that there are two things that define the role of the product manager. The first is that the PM is the voice of the customer inside the business. Whoa, what does that mean? Well, inside the business, it's the PM's job to advocate for the customer and ensure the team builds the right product to make the customers happy. Quite often, internal stakeholders have their own idea of what the business should create. Vice presidents sometimes like the shiniest, newest technology, design leads want to do something radical with the look and feel of the product, or marketing wants a product that's, splashy and noteworthy. But the PM's role is to get everyone aligned to the customer needs and then lead the team to build the product and deliver the solution. Now, the second thing is that the PM is the voice of the business to the customer. Let's unpack that a bit. So because the PM is the customer's main advocate, the PM is going to be the primary individual that communicates the value propositions of the product, aka why it solves their problem and why it's valuable. PMs often have the highest engagement directly with the customer and thus have the best context for communicating that value. Now, this communication can take a few forms. In most companies, it's going to be working with marketing to ensure that the messaging aligns with what the customer wants to hear and that the product value is shared effectively. So really, the PM oversees the entire journey of building a product. They're talking with customers to figure out the challenges and opportunities, aligning internal team members on what to build, leading the development of the product, and ensuring it's communicated properly. So next, let's take a look at the responsibilities PMs typically have, which will provide even more clarity to the role.